Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Moorpark local and long distance movers near me. When you need to move across a country or just one state over, you need long distance movers. Our team of movers will make sure you get the best experience possible. We provide you with the right services for your move, even if you need to go thousands of miles away. Our team provides the basic moving services you need. We also offer all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent prices. When you choose the right local California moving company, you get plenty of benefits. You'll save time and energy. Showing up at your new location faster and with energy is just one of the benefits you gain. With a local moving company, you will avoid any heavy lifting when you move. 3 Movers will help to streamline the moving process. We make moving days simple. If you need an entire week to pack up and move, we can do it all for you in less than one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Moorpark moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.